In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the lookup field in Airtable. A lookup field is useful when you want to pull information from a linked record and display it automatically in your current table. This helps you avoid retyping the same details and keeps your base more organized and consistent. In this example, we'll create a lookup field that pulls a value from an existing linked field. To begin, go to your Airtable table and look at the far right side of your existing columns. Click the plus icon at the end of your columns to create a new field. This is how you add a fresh column and define what kind of data it should contain. Once the field setup menu opens, click on Lookup. This tells Airtable that the new field should display information from another table through a linked record. Lookup fields are different from regular text or number fields because they depend on an existing relationship between tables. Next, click on Choose a field in this table. Airtable now needs to know which linked field it should use as the source for the lookup. In other words, you're selecting the connection that already links this table to another table. From the list, click on Client. This means the lookup field will use the client link as its reference point. If your table contains linked client records, Airtable can use that connection to bring in related information from the linked table. After that, click on Choose a field. Now Airtable is asking which specific piece of information you want to display from the linked client records. This is where you decide what data should appear in the new lookup column. Then click on Roll. By selecting Roll, you're telling Airtable to pull the roll value from the linked client record and show it in this table. This is especially helpful when you want to view related details without opening another table each time. Finally, click on Create. Airtable will generate the new lookup field, and you should now see the related role information appear automatically wherever the client link exists. That's all it takes to set up a lookup field in Airtable. As a quick tip, lookup fields work best when your linked records are already set up correctly, so if values don't appear as expected, check that the linked field contains the right records. Once configured, lookup fields can save time, reduce manual entry, and make your workflow much easier to manage.